I've been with Rockwell for 11 years. I started in software functional tests, and I was testing logics designer. And then I moved on to firmware functional tests, where I test the compact logics controllers. When you have people from different places, we have different views, we have different ways of working. Sometimes you see the same problem and you'll get different inputs from different peoples. I remember there was one project where we had an issue and it was very close to the release dates, and we had these issues. So we found it in Singapore and we had a test bed where we reproduced the issues. We found the issues, and the development team worked together between the Singapore and US time. So when it's Singapore daytime, the Singapore team was working on it. At the end of our day, which is the beginning of US daytime, we hand it over to them. And over our nighttime, they work on it and they make progress and they hand it over. It's almost like a relay. So there are times when time zone differences doesn't work well, but there were cases where the time zone differences work to our benefit. You're almost like working 24 hours on the products. It kind of encourages you to continue to innovate in how you do engineering, because for you to be able to deliver and develop a good product, you have to have a good engineering skill. So it challenged us. It's not always easy, but when you keep trying, when you try to continue and think that, okay, the most important is we need to validate this product, you'll come through and we'll find a way to solve that. So for me, in the past 11 years, is something that has been evolving and has been challenging and motivate you to come to work day to day. My name is Ria. I'm an engineering test lead.